Progress, guys. Here it is right here. The hollow blocks they're putting in now. He's got like 4 or 5 guys out here, and they're all at it. This is how the Filipinos work. Like I said, these people are resilient. When we had the typhoon, this whole neighborhood was destroyed. And these guys, I mean, they put their place back. They were back up and running with their homes and everything within the week. However, they didn't get water and electricity for about 4 months here. But these guys are at it, and they're doing a good-ass job too. I'm very excited about it. We're gonna have this also all painted, the hollow blocks on this side and that side. And we're probably gonna go back to the original colors of the house here. This little guy here in the bright cap there, that's the chief boss there. He's the one that's running things there. And it looks like we're doing really good with the materials as well. So tomorrow my plan is I'm gonna get on my scooter and I'm gonna go and get Starlink, the internet, because right now we're using this dish here for television services. And we're going to change all of that with Elon Musk Starlink, because that way we'll be able to stream. We'll be able to do pretty much anything, movie-wise, music-wise, all of my music work. I won't have to worry about, you know, losing internet connections and things like that. So very excited about that, and that's the game plan. Okay, chat at you guys soon. Peace. A little after 1 o'clock on Thursday, guys. These guys are coming along real well. I've got a big window in there that's gonna fit right in the middle of all of that too. And as I said, the mix happens right here. We keep a lot of the concrete stuff over in the shed there. And we only buy what we think we're gonna use for that day. And that's pretty much the way that it works here, or the way that I've learned that it works best that way, because you don't want to waste any money like I did going around the first time on the wood. Bad part on my part. And the good thing about this is we're doing this now right as about the rainy season is about over, and I think it gets over around the end of January or something like that. So we're getting close. We should be close. And the only other thing they're gonna do is this portion of the house as well. All of that too is gonna go. My wife was the one, she wanted to use the Amacan, which is what we started out using. And it was nice in the beginning, but when you think about having to, you know, touch it up every time, it's very hot here in the Philippines and everything fades like crazy. So the Amacan's off now. This stuff here, the nice look, all of that's coming down. And I think it's gonna be even better because we're gonna just paint it that color, the blue, the white, and they call it stipe yellow here. I don't know what that is, but that's our game plan anyway. We're just gonna make this portion of the house the same as this portion over here on the house too. So y'all hang in there with me, stay with me. It's hot. I'll get back with you guys as soon as we can, okay? Peace. One of the other things that I learned about working in the Philippines is they use a lot of stick for their scaffolding. They don't have metal scaffolding here in the provinces, and if they do, it's pretty doggone expensive. I've only noticed scaffolding, real metal scaffolding, in the major cities like the Manilas, the Cebu's, places like that. But here, it's all stick, and that's what that is right there. They're gonna use scaffolding to come across the front side here as a stand. Although, I've got a good 16, 17-foot ladder here, and they don't like to use it, believe it or not. They'd rather use the stick. But again, this is gonna be, it's a 2-week job supposedly, but I think these guys will finish it sooner than that. We are gonna have it painted. Very excited about that, and anything that makes my wife happy makes me happy, so, okay, peace. Sometimes it's just nice to sit back and watch these guys work. That's their scaffolding. Now, if I got up on that thing, it'd probably crash down. I'm about 235 pounds. There's no way that scaffolding would hold me. These guys are they all average, real tiny guys, but they all average probably about half my weight. Say probably about 150, 160 pounds if this little guy up here on the top. I mean, this guy's a worker. They are at it, guys. Loving it. We are getting it done here. Cannot wait to finalize this stuff. We've got it insulated upstairs now. Upstairs, up there in the attic, it's all insulated. Thank God we did that. But this is what really is coming together again. Just out there watching these guys just get at it like this. So very happy. Progress, guys. Progress is coming along just fine. It's incredible watching these guys. I've got some vow seal for that. One, gotta have family in the mix of everything while all of this is going on. They've been cooped up in the house all day because of the heat. It's so hot here. She's excited to be out. Stay over this way, baby. Stay over here. That's the progress, guys. It's coming along real well. That's how they do that. But I wanted to show you guys the rot in the wood beforehand. Look at this. See all of that right there? And that was me being cheap at the time. Again, we were kind of under pressure to get this done. And in doing so, I'm having to pay for it now because that was just a waste of time, money. And here we are replacing all of that. I'm sorry, excuse me. You good? I'm sorry. Sorry about that. And so I'm paying for that now because these guys are out here redoing the very thing that I should have did this the first time around. Yeah. Okay, so that's today. That's what we got accomplished today. Tomorrow they'll come and they'll fine tune all of this. They'll fine tune all of that. Put our bay window back in, and then they'll start on this side, the studio side. And I've got an air conditioner. We're gonna buy an air conditioner tomorrow. We're gonna put up top here for my studio because it's just crazy hot here. But again, I won't make this mistake again. This is the kind of wood that we're talking about. That's just awful. That's not even 6 months. And that's a shame on my part. I was very, very negligent at doing that when we had this done. I'm thinking I'm buying the best stuff, but I got taken. So to you foreigners that are coming here to build, you may want to check out my next vlog about the type of wood and the best wood that you can buy here, because that's all termites and ants, and that's the last thing you want in your home. But anyway, we're excited about finishing it up. This is a contract deal, so 14 days, I believe, is what they gave, was what we agreed upon. And that's about a $400 job there, guys. It's 20,000 pesos. Of course, I pay for the materials, but for the contract, it's only 20,000 pesos, which is about 400 bucks for that work there, okay? I'll wait till tomorrow. We'll pick up where we left off. Chat at you guys soon. My two, always with me, those two. Always with me. Okay? So we're gonna sign off and wait till tomorrow to catch up with you guys again. Good morning, everybody. This is Billy P. As you can see, this is day 2. These guys are already into it. We're gonna hopefully get a lot of this done today too before the rain. Looks like it's gonna be a good day for work. But again, this is day 2 of the restoration of my studio and bedroom. The reason we're doing this is because I started with plywood, and we put all plywood up, and we learned a hard lesson that everything gets eaten and rotted out. I showed you this earlier. That's what it looks like. It's pretty bad. All rotted wood. So we're gonna change all of that around and hopefully come up with a better result. Okay? Billy P, talk to you guys soon. Good morning. A little sidekick here. We're up early as the guys are here. This is day 2. They're working on the house. Hopefully we're gonna get a lot done today. Got some other extra workers here today as well, so we're gonna get a lot done. Got my little sidekick here with me to help. I wish you guys a great day, okay? Peace. Again, day 2, I've got my sidekick here with me, ice cream and all. Say hi. We're out here watching the guys work. I'm gonna turn around here so you guys can see these guys back here behind us. They're redoing everything, hollow blocks and all. They kind of had a mishaps on that side there. The top of the wall fell out, but that was because the boards that they had laid up in there were not secure. But they're redoing that now. You can see it with the rebar there. They're going to do that now. It's kind of a rainy day, but we're getting a lot done. We're excited about that. We've got so much going on. 13A visas. I got to get my visa. I got to go pick up my wife's. Got to go pick up her U.S. green card in Manila. We got a lot going on. I think I mentioned to you guys also the Starlink. I've already put an order in for it and probably gonna Gonna get on my scooter and ride and go pick that up. That's in the next province over, which is Butuan. Probably about a 3-hour ride, but I'm gonna go and pick that up. I am done with Smart, Globe, and all of these other cheap ass phone services that they got here in the Philippines. None of them are reliable. None of them can give you any kind of sustainability at all, as far as, you know, the type of, you know, the work that I do when it comes to transferring data musically over the internet. So, but anyway, with that being said, guys, I'm gonna let you guys roll again. I'm very excited about what these guys have accomplished today. This is day 2. They said it'd take about 2 weeks, but it looks like it's only gonna take maybe a week. Once they get all of that done, we're gonna have them paint. Oh my gosh, my daughter's dropping ice cream everywhere. Did you just drop that? Huh? Did you just drop that? My little sidekick, you guys. She just turned 2. Okay. You guys will be from the inside. The work that's going on. This is my studio, guys. All the detailed stuff. How they make it so work here. And they build these scaffoldings here like this. Stand on. It's just incredible. They wouldn't hold me my weight. There's no way. All these guys are about 150, 160 pounds. Incredible. Whereas from the other view, this side of the house as well. This was the portion that actually, they had it going all the way across this morning, but it fell because there's nothing stable as far as the rhubarb goes, but they're redoing that now. So hoping for this go around, it'll be a lot nicer. Oh, for the day. This is our bedroom, by the way. Green AC. Just got a lot going on, guys. But we're getting there, slowly but surely getting there. Look at how skilled this guy is here. This guy's got to be 75, 80 years old, but look how skilled he is. And look at the time that he's getting to fit this door. Isn't that incredible? This is my music studio, by the way. The door frame looks better now than it did the first guy did. Incredible. Just incredible, this guy. And that over there, guys, is the AC that I'm going to be putting right up there at the top there. That's enough. Like I said, it's 3/4 horsepower. So it'd be plenty for my studio in regards to keeping me nice and cool when I'm working. Day 3. They are at it. They're getting it done. I'm excited. My wife's excited. I got a lot of mess to clean up, though. Yeah. Just finished a nice gym workout, guys, and just came home. I picked up some groceries. My wife wanted me to pick up. And these guys are on the game. They're doing what they got to do to make this happen for me. And even though it's been raining like crazy here, they're still making it go at it. They're making it work. You can see them back there. They got the tarp out. The sun's trying to peek out, but it's just been a good day overall. Let's see. As I said, guys, day 3. They're in our bedroom here. This is from the inside. What they're doing. That's where the bay window goes back to right there. A young man there in the bright colored shirt drawer crawling out the window. That is the boss. That is the guy that's running this whole shebang. So they're coming along just fine though. And I know these guys, look at that up there in the corner there. I see it too. They're gonna close that up, so it's gonna be nice. Cannot wait. My wife will be happy too. Okay guys, chat to y'all in a bit. Look at this, guys. This is the bedroom. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, okay. So is it fit? Is it good? Where's the Okay, progress, guys. Here it is. We're getting at it. Day 3. Got Thor's father doing the door. This guy, just meticulous, very tedious work. And I mean, it's just incredible what he does with his hand. And the only thing I've seen him use machine-wise is that drill, and that's my drill. So, but the work is coming along real fine. It's coming along real fine. Air conditioner going right up there in the top right there. You have an air conditioner, a 3/4 power, excuse me, 3/4 horsepower air conditioner going in that. That's for my studio. We've already got a big one in our bedroom back here, so everything's coming along perfect.